or anything. Oh, you are here. So close. Have to be careful. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Look at that. Hello. You're so cutie, aren't you? Wow, you see that, guys? I'm not sure if this is Australian bee or that's European bees because they are big. The Australian bee, they are small and slim. Is that right? This one probably more on European bee. They're around here, buzzing here. Very, very nice. Hello, there's a skinny one. What's that? Wow, I could hear you guys. Australia is a great country. Absolutely. I really agree for that for a million percent. And I won't going to anywhere else of the places. Just here. I've been to any places though, any countries. But I think I love her the most. I guess because my loved one is here and people is very friendly and very Duncan, very nice. Not all though, but I guess that's how I notice here. Good, mate. Alright, 8 more minutes to go, guys. Oh, that friend of mine went into shopping. Alright, we just stay here a bit. We sit here in the lovely chair. Whatever is in camera, so wherever I go, I make sure it's always in mata everywhere, guys. Okay, we sit here. Whew. Thank you, 1 million viewers. I got 7 more minutes to go, guys, and then I have to go soon. Thank you, YouTube. Quite windy today. Nice. Oh well, hubby is now here, guys, so I guess we have to go. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day, guys. Mwah. Thank you, viewers and new subscribers, and hope you have a wonderful time. That's it for today, guys. Oh, I just gonna drive while doing it, I guess. Hey guys, look, we bought the lunch with salad and burger. But I think it's a new style now. But there really a lot of yummy good things here. 5 minutes to go, everybody. Thank you. Alright guys, we have to drive now. Another less than 4 minutes. Oh, something like that. Less than 5 minutes.